Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to enable backup codes on Roblox. So first you open your Roblox application or you can use your laptop just using the browser. Then after you log into your account, on the bottom right you will see the button more, you click on that. Then you scroll down and you will find settings option, you click on that. Then in the options you choose security, you click on that. After the page load, you just scroll down and you choose one of those two options, either email or authenticator app. For me, for example, I will choose authenticator app. After I click on this, you will see, for me, because I didn't verify my email, but for you, you will see you need to verify that you are yourself by scanning your face or your fingerprint. And after that, you just follow very simple and easy steps. And then whenever you need any backup code, you just go and open your authenticator application and you will find it here for your Roblox account. And that's it. Thank you for watching. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like the video.